so getting ready to pull
Did we
her
get
out.
any movement out of there?
It did move, but it's the problem is it's on the input shaft still. Should wiggle it just a little bit. No, Scotty. Ay, ay, ay. There it goes. Oh yeah, there. Hey, look. There you go. You got it. He's got it. Hey, Scotty. He's got it. There you go. Work it. Work it, girl.
Get in a hole. Get in the. Ooh.
Oh.
Ooh. And survey says I think we got it.
Scotty, I think you just pulled out successfully. Oh yeah. Yeah, you gotta go up and then back. You gotta go up too. You gotta go up.
Oh, wait.
Exhaust.
Same as the last one.
Second verse, same as the first.
Yep.
What's with us and Ford exhaust getting in the way?
You're gonna have to go.
Which way you want me to go?
It's got to go that way, but we got to go up more.
Up, down, side to side,
In,
front, back,
out.
side to side.
Let's see if we can't pry this.
Oh yeah, pop our plate off the back. Oh no, because the flywheels are.
Ooh, yeah. Duh.
So pry up on the exhaust. Then pull. We're not going to use anymore because we have a header and duals going in.
Try and bring her up.
Wrong fucking hole.
Yeah, wrong hole.
There you go. You'll swing. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go.
Go, Shorty. It's your birthday. Go. Bobby?